And we're back to an HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the legend tag. Another one of these tags that I used in forms, specifically for field sets. You can already see the field set, which gives you this rectangle by default. And inside you would put, for example, an input type. Let me change it to data. Could also nest buttons and labels inside. But we want to add a legend. The way to do it is to go right here at the start of our field set, and then we nest the legend with an opening and a closing tag inside. And if I refresh it, you can already see there's a little bit of a gap now here in my rectangle. So if we add text, it's going to be placed right there where the gap is. So let me just call the caption for the field set. And now you can see right here. There are now specific attributes for it. As always, you can use the global ones. But this is all there is to know about the legend tag in HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.